Where you drop people hitting the hit the sun. Like it missing me tipping from behind. Shit is embarrassing like it's your old design. Okay, your channel, apparently shit there's a draft. Spit on your face so repeat, don't get a drum out. You victims are shivering, but without friends you got info of BFY. I don't kill you bitches like a 6 game. If my name on the match, I'll think you in danger. Infinite, retarded, and then it's them and getting leadership players when you get famous. Bitches know you a cute pacifist. Can't run to master robberies. All about to make a masterpiece. You guys invade a rotation of bitches. I'm always less restoration. Bitch, still don't tell me my flow. And they say they get close to your friend, but close up to your enemy. In my head, bitch, you have three of me. You don't get shit if you play with me. Give them my thing with the emoji.
They wanna rap, they call me goat, they wanna be back. Kicking ass, don't talk about cats. Ain't no rule, yo, don't get me mad. Ayy, talking that shit, yo, stab me relentless. Heavy, y'all beat it, stuff in with the pressure. 2 months say y'all stupid, we dirty, I beat you, no God, don't lie about 30. Try to biggie, so weak like a pichu. I leave with bitches, so we might just beat you. You see the doubt and be so unexpected. I'ma do that shit if you know it's reckless. Bitch, wanna find me? Oh, you like me? Put these bitches in a motherfucking white tee. You reckon that shit's big, look at the IVs. Overhead thunders, guys, they can't see. I don't give a fuck, y'all beaters are trifling. Live your life through a phone, jet spouting. Keep jokes about me, the consequence coming, yo, y'all want some money, but go ahead and go make more memes. Make more memes. Use my face, go ahead for me. Give me reasons not to give a fuck, y'all beaters up next to me.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Soldier boy, tell me.
Whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah.